Forget Coachella because it's all about the MahaMela, which in Sanskrit means the Great Festival. So join me and my mum as we take you through our launch event here in India. We had a lot of fun games and activities where you can win exclusive prizes like this wind spinner and take a photo at our photo booth moment. We also had a braiding station, that's my sister, and just look at this decor. It was beautiful. The games continued with this disc dropper, I won, and we had this table full of ingredients storytelling our brand. We also had a candy floss machine and the ice gola station. If you're South Asian, you know what this is. We had Kolkata and orange, it was so good. We also had a caricature artist, and that's me. So the guests arrived and the games and festivities began. And I'm telling you guys, we need this in Coachella next year, especially the South Asian representation. So yeah, if you want us to do it, leave us a comment and I'll start looking. /Coachella, hit me up. But yeah, it was so much fun. So glad to be having this experience with my mom and my sister by my side. And thank you, honestly, everyone who came and the whole Nike team for setting up this event. It was a dream.